Sis B, hindi ka namin nakantahan ng ano, ng Sengel Chukan, Maligayang, Bati, Ulang.
Nakakalakad ka na nga eh. Nakakalakad mo si Tata kaya lang malayo. Ito, ati Choy, saka. Kami yan na. Kumuna ba kain? Inuubukan niya kasi ako eh. Sabi kain daw muna. Si ano, si Kuya na yun. Sumunod.
Yes. It's okay, you go ahead. You need more.
Oh, yes.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. He's 25. Each
Younger.
Okay. 2000 is his birth year. 2000.
2000.
He's turning 26 on December. Yes. So many.
Wala yung coconut bar. Nasaan yung coconut bar?
Na late. Nasa bar pa. Wala yung coconut bar.
It's Philippine like talk chonyo. It's glutinous rice. Choan. I forgot the Korean language of glutinous rice.
눈싸움하고 눈싸움에 졌어 지금. 지금 그거 넘어갔어 지금. 네 넘어갔어. 가장 보세요.
Ane, thank you.
Kasi hindi na kasya.
Naubos lalagay ka.
Thank you so much.
Sino kayo gumawa nito?
Lembut. Thank you.
Let's go. I will give you.
Can we change to this one? Thank you.
Oh my god.
Let's eat.
제가 바르는 게 있어요.
May practice tayo.
There.
Normax.
Ma, unang ka dito, ma. Hmm? Urong.
Nag-wait rin kayo? Hindi kayo nag-iisa.
Kalawete ka rin?
Sa trabaho, nilagan ko yung gunting eh. Kasi pag yung gunting, pangkanan, pumapaltos ako. Kasi yung handle niya, yung forma ng bulma ng handle yung pangkanan. Kaya ako iniiwas ng gunting sa trabaho.
Mga bright ang mga hand.
Yun lang. Yun lang, hindi ko nakakita.
Oh, it's a big one. What time is it? What?
Kamnida.
Birthday celebrant, what is
Thank you so
your
much.
wish?
Elder come please eat.
More days in Korea? Me too.
Yes.
Low blood. Low blood.
Kababayan mo yan.
하이브리드.
Nasa process ako ng 5 sessions ang injection, gel injection. Once a week. Sa tuhod.
Ano po, Buster Max? Kumusta? Okay lang? Okay na. Ako din, same thinking guys.
Ang ganda pagbalik mo sa family function.
Gusto ko niyang mag-meet JDS.
Now is India. No problem.
She hyaluronic injection for knee lubricant. And maybe this month, 20th, stem cell procedure or surgery.
Kasi sabi ko kababayan niya. Kababayan mo.
No, not Boramo. Terong, brown hair yun.
Why?
Burame, they said knee replacement. Susunod. But in Pero only stem cell.
Bayaran lang. Kaya dapat sa Sabado, bayaran ko isang Sabado.
Why you eat only small portion?
I eat more. I eat more.
Kailan magpa-practice kayo? After this. 140 hanggang 140. Yung tayo na. Kasi may Chinese. Event.
Doon daw sa baba, Ate Jo. Sa baba, sa baba. Kasi may gagamit ito, di ba?
Sabi na mag-i-end, then pwede daw sa Pilaro. Oo, talaga. Quick Bible study lang. Anong natutunan nyo sa message ngayon? Welcome back pala. Nice to see you. I'm so happy to see you.
Thank you to God.
So what did you learn from today's message? I'll start here. The youngest late. I late. Ano? Just a quick Bible study.
Share your blessings.
Sharing. Naisulat ko lang. Sabihin mo lang sa people. Share your struggle.
Huwag lang yung
Relationship. Ate, Vilma kayo, anong natutunan niyo?
sharing.
Sharing? Sharing food?
Yeah, share your food.
Si Tita Ray, anong natutunan mo today? Salamat, wala pala sinabi. Dalawa pa lang nagsalita. Sharing? Ikaw, Ate Bibelin, anong
Sharing and loving.
sharing and loving? Yes. Kayo po?
Love one another.
Love one another. Kayo po, ano nga natutunan niyo today?
Ikaw daw.
Love? O, ito nga.
Show your love to
Kuya.
Pag sinabing sharing, pwede rin gathering. Kumbaga, when we eat together, hindi lang yung nabusog tayo. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon tayo ng relationship, good relationship.
Kayo po, Pastor Max.
Sa akin, one heart, one mind.
One heart, one mind. Kayo po, Nay.
We should be united and caring in each one's burden and sharing in all good things.
Kayo, ikaw, Ate.
Very important na meron tayo.
Oh, listen to me dito.
Magsasalita ako, makinig kayong maigi. Very important in the church, meron tayong camaraderie as one brother and sisters in Christ, as one family. So, it's very important na meron tayong sharing. Hindi yung after ng church natin, wala nang pakialamanan. Very healthy na meron tayong pakikipag-exchange kung ano yung mga kaganapan sa buhay natin for us to be strengthened. Thanks be to God po.
What do you remember from today's message? Chong?
Chong is very difficult concept. Chong is very many. We have Korean people. All Korean people have Chong. Very hard. To explain, we don't understand. Expression very hard.
Jong is a song, right?
Song?
Song.
No.
It's Kevin Jong. Song.
Kevin Jung. Kevin Jung. Message Jung.
Kevin B.
Yun lang ako na po nila. Saan ba tayo? Mamaya, di ba nababa naman? Dito! Andito ba? Mamaya ka pa naman. Tapos kumain.
Korean chapter is yummy.
Korean chapter.
Yes.
Film chapter. I like more Korean chapter.
That's right.
Korean chapter is more fat.
Elder Con, you're not eating. You don't need to be on a diet. No need.
No. I have another meeting
Your
for lunch.
picture is great in Tokau.
We have. I have a Chinese meeting after service.
Chinese
Yes.
lunch.
Yes. So I have to have the meal.
You reserve your tummy. Sarap ng kutsintama na.
I am very good chef. My cooking is very
Really?
delicious.
Wow. Wow. That's why you are nurturing. That's why you are nurturing.
Standard. My body is standard body in Korea. Next Sunday I prepare this salad for you.
Thank you.